what is the cruelty to animals? Well, cruelty to animals, also called animal abuse or animal degradation, is the human infliction of the suffering of harm upon non-human animals for purposes or than self-defense or survival. More narrowly, it can be harm of specific gain, such as killing animals for good or for therefore, although the opinions different with respect to the method of slaughter. It's usually encompass infliction, harm of personal amusement. The varying with payments are helped to by jurisdiction. Throughout the world, law concerning animals currently are designed to prevent needless cruelty to animals, rather than killing for other aims or as good, or they concern species of food in the country involved, such as those or pets. Ya leí todo el pinche cuento.
Sí.
¿Ya? Una, dos, tres. Neglected or mistreated animals are usually seized by animal control authorities when their own is treated with cruelty. If the animal don't need to be taken immediately, however, the owner of the animal has a solution, right to notice and hearing before the animal can be taken away. If the animals are taken without first notifying the owner is entitled to a hearing, usually before a judge, as soon as possible. In most places, the owner is responsible for reimbursing the government for the cost of imprudent and can
Of the USA Department of Agriculture. If your concern involves conditions in a puppy mill or pet shop.
Broadly speaking, there are two approaches to incite the animal welfare position hold as there nothing inherently wrong with using of our animals proposed, such as food, clothing, entertainment, and researches, but that there is no one human way to minimize unnecessary pain of suffering. Animal rights terrorists crazy of the position arguing for the words unnecessary and human are subject to the widely differing interpretations, and that the only well-ensured protection for animals is the end, their status as property, and to ensure and never use commodities. And in the law,